Hello, guys and girls. Today, it is part 2 of Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, 3. Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I don't know if I want to play this. Well, here we go. Yeah. I'm going to turn the volume a little bit down because I don't want to get scared too bad. I am a big fan of Scott's work. Since the first game came out, I bought it.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes it feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello. Welcome to your new career as a performer / entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much needed information on how to handle / climb into / climb out of mascot costumes. Right now, we have 2 specially designed suits that double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents / injuries / death / irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we will discuss how to operate the mascots when they are in
I think I just saw
form.
Springtrap,
For each
guys.
operation, the animatronics are set
Okay,
to turn
there
and
it is.
walk towards sound cues. This is an easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment / crowd-pleasing value. To change the animatronics to suit mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside. Please make sure that the
I know you're getting
screws
scared,
are
guys.
tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session.
Sorry, I'm not doing
Remember to
face
smile.
cam. I
You are
couldn't
the face
find.
of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Oh fuck.
Look for the name, blood, and size,
Where the fuck is Springtrap? I'm so scared right now, guys. I don't even know what to say. Holy shit, guys. I don't know why I get so scared. What the fuck? What the fuck are you? Oh fuck, what the fuck? Shit, guys. Oh my god, fuck, what the 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 fuck? Golden boy. Fuck, guys. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck, guys. Oh my god. Shoot, guys. Shoot. Ya va, Eric. Oh my god. Look, guys. Crap. Now I'm scared. I'm already scared to play this game. Shit. Where's Springtrap?
Why would you do that?
He's gonna stay there.
No, he won't.
Then what's happened?
When he leaves, you're supposed to click play audio. And then his eye will appear. He's there. He's there.
Okay.
I saw his eye.
I hope I make this night. I'm already freaking scared. Can't believe. Oh my god.
Are you in 5 a.m.?
What the fuck?
Check the...
I don't want to see. Oh shit, guys.
I'm gonna get jump scared of it.
I don't see nothing. I'm gonna stay here till 6 a.m. Fuck.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't see him there. Oh my god. Game over. Frick. Well, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And like, and view this. I almost cocked my pants. You better hit that like button.